Talking work on my phone. Say he got them bricks. Score a few, by the 2 or the 10, that's a leg. And my mama know I'm gutter, and she also know I'm strapped. And she know I killed the king, and Keith ain't try to murder back. She know you take a shot at me, I'ma send like 30.
Hey guys, it's Kay, and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be basically me showing you how I apply my wigs, featuring no other than MyFirstWigs. So this wig company is not new to my channel. Of course, they still got their Christmas packaging going on, so I guess they ain't switched back over, so don't mind it, but it's still really cute. This is what the packaging looks like this time. I don't know if you were to purchase your wig, will you be getting the same packaging? I don't know. It probably will be different. This is basically going to be a beginner friendly video on how you apply your wig. When you open a box, this is what the wig will look like, and it comes in this pretty packaging. Their packaging is really nice. So right here is just basically details on the wig. The wig name is MFS005. I have it in a yaki texture. The length is 20 inches. The hair color, it says same on picture, which is basically like a burgundy color. And I have it in a cap size 1. And the cap construction, it says, is 6 inches deep part line glueless lace cap. I have the lace color in a light brown.
So this is the wig. They have a wig cap, which I love this color because this color, it's like not that new color, but like a step up from the new color, which is like, I should switch it to this, but I'm not because I don't feel like it. But yeah, these really come in handy for when you want your wig to just look more natural. And it also comes with this, and inside of this is just basically an elastic band. And I'll get more into this once I show you the wigs. They also gave me lashes. I don't know if they was being nice or this is actually going to come with your wig, but these are actually really cute. Dang, y'all can't even see them. Hold on. Okay, I'm not even going to try. But it's 2 pairs of lashes. I also got some Say Goodbye to Frizzy Hair.
This stuff really comes in handy for flyaways. I use it like for flyaways. You can even use this for anything. It's just basically like a wax stick, which is really good.
We also have clips, which, you know, just to get your hair out the way or whatever. We have bobby pins. And we also have a comb. And we have another, what is this called? Elastic band, which this one doesn't look like the first one that I just showed you. So this one you will need to sew into the wig. Ooh! So it also comes with a baby hair brush. This is doing its thing, okay? I'm stuck using, where's my toothbrush? This rusty dusty toothbrush, so if it's soft enough, because I like the bristles on this brush because it's not too hard, not too soft, it's just right. But yeah, I'm going to have to try it out. So yeah, that's everything that comes inside of this box. So of course it comes in the netting, which you just want to take this off. And this is
the parting space. So basically this wig, look how deep the parting is, you guys. It's a really nice amount. So of course once you get to the sides, it's not as much lace as in the middle, but that's okay because it's really wide. So if you did want a side part, you can still part it on the side and it still be like a little deep if that's how you like your side parts. But it also comes with 2 combs in the front. It comes with a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So moving along to what I was talking about earlier with the adjustable strap, I'm thinking that you're going to hook these little tabs to this just to give your wig a snugger fit. So I feel like this is definitely convenient.
But I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace, but let me show you what the wig actually looks like before I get to wearing it.
Okay, and I'm probably not going to like this hair with this shirt, so I might just change my outfit and wear it for my next video. But yeah, because I feel like it's just clashing with this hair. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like, and it's really soft. It actually smells really good. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'll be back so we can go ahead and style this wig. So I'm back, and I did go ahead and cut the lace off. And cutting off the lace is pretty simple, that's why I didn't show it. But hopefully you guys know how to cut off lace, because if you don't, I would feel so freaking bad. But basically you're just going to cut as close as possible to the hairline without cutting into the hair. If you do, that's fine, just don't like cut off your whole hairline, you get what I'm saying? And now I'm just taking the straps that already comes in the wig, and I'm adjusting them because I don't think that I want to well, let's just see. I don't think that I'm going to add the straps, but we'll just see how this fits. And I'm just going to secure the comb that's in the back. And this is fitting my head really nice and snug, so I don't think I'm going to add those straps that they have. And as you can see, everything is laying down pretty good except for the ear tabs. The part already looks really good. Let me come close so y'all can see it. So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to flat on this hair, and I'm going to do it on camera, but I'm actually going to speed it up.
I've loved and I love, but that's not what I see, 'cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my hand. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my hand. Up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. I almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. I've loved and I love, but that's not what I see, 'cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my hand. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my hand. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me. But that's not.
This hair is so freaking soft. The cut on this, mind you, I didn't cut it. It came like this, you guys. Look at these layers. It looks so good. It smells good. It's really, really like the yaki texture. It just looks really natural, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little hair wax stick that they give you. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the flyaways is real, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna lay them down like that.
But that's not what I see, 'cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you.
That looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. So, alright, where's the top? So literally that's it, y'all. If y'all wanted to stop here, y'all could. I'm going to go ahead and add my finishing powder, and then I'm gonna put add some slight baby hair. Not much, because honestly this wig really doesn't need it, but just for me, because that's just how I like to wear my hair. Now I'm just gonna add some powder into my part. You see the difference already? I mean, not that it looked bad before, but it's just more poppier. More poppier. I be coming up with my own words. And then I'm just going to rub the excess with my finger. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, I see you, my first wigs. I see you. I see you. You doing a damn thing. I see you. Okay. So after that, hold on, where's that little baby hair brush that they gave me? Alright, so I'm not going to use my toothbrush, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and use what's in here, because this is like a starter kit pack for real. So, so on the end, they give you like a comb. It's like a little comb. And then on this side, they give you the brush. So what did I do with my scissors? I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Should I cut the baby hair? I don't even really know if I should like be putting baby hair in here because it just looks so good. Okay, but I am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you next, thank you next. I'm so fucking. Oh, now I'm down the line, but that's not what I see. 'Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. I've loved and I lost, but that's not what I see. 'Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. I ended up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about me.
I'm gonna go back in with my finishing powder and just add a little bit more right there. And that's it, y'all. This shit looks freaking real. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this wig, you guys. This wig is everything. So if you're interested in checking, you know, my first wigs out, I'm gonna go ahead and leave their links in the description box, and I'll also leave a direct link to this wig just in case you want to purchase it. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. Like, that's sick, y'all. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you in my next video.